Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com. Uh, this video is about DAX, German DAX. So let's get started here. This is a weekly chart I made last year, 2022, October 2022, and actually 15th October 2022. This was the area. This was a monthly high as a support. We came down here. We were like a three-drive pattern, and at the support, 24, 26 was in question that if we're gonna drop below that or go to the upside. So my take was it's probably gonna go to the upside, finding support here, and then go to the upside. I forgot to mark that we're gonna go to the upside here, but that was the idea. And then after that, what happened to this chart is this. This chart is made on March 2023. It's almost 6-7 months later, 6 months later. We were here, powerfully going to the upside. So the idea again was that we're probably gonna go to these highs here, right? And so far we are very close. Let me see the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. Okay, so we are very, very close to this area here, right? This is the highest 62.24. Oh, sorry, 84, 62.84. This is 62.94, and we are here. So now I think that this is what it is. We probably somewhere here in this area, and I think that right now we are just below 60.31. We are doing right now 59.65. So 60.31 is the number to break, and then we go to 62.84, and then we're gonna drop. We are getting support here, 57. Now you can see on a 4-hour chart, even that 57.11 is right here. Now here in a small, that's the weekly chart. No, man, what's up? That's 4-hour chart. Or I would say hour, right? So this is a 4-hour chart, and it gives you a little bit of detail. What's happening here is not clear, right? So after this, I would say like it's very, very crooked wave count, but that's what we have here. It's like maybe wave 1, 2, and then this is 3, 4, and wave 5 is underway, and wave 5 is broken down into this, like wave 1, 2, and then either this is 127. That's where we finish wave 3. And then this sideways triangle or whatever, or a flat correction, complex correction is wave 4, and one more push into this area to 161% for wave 5. Or this is wave 1, 2, and then we're going to go to 161% for 3. Or maybe this is the end of 3, and then wave 4 to the downside, and then go up for wave 5. So this is a very crucial area here, but somewhere here, we're going to make the turn to the downside. That is the highest point we have on this chart, and this chart is I have since 2013. I don't have many, and what? I was wrong. Let's say 2001. The highest point, the highest point is this, which we are very close to. Okay, so this could be the double top, and then we make the downside turn. Right, so somewhere here you're gonna make the turn, and then 4-hour. Watch out, 4-hour for clarity. These are the numbers: 62, 84, 63, 31 is the one that we are about to deal with. We actually hit that number here a little bit, right, and then drop back to 57.11, and then trying to go up. And this is like a bullish, a flag kind of thing that it's a pull, it's a flag, and then we might just break. Go to the upside and touch the 60.31, and if we break that, we can go into this area 161.8% to 62.06, 62.84. And by the way, this is the extension of this wave 4, let's say, and wave 5. So that's 127 is coming exactly where 60.31 is. This is coming 60.43. All right, so it may stop here and then drop. All right, so somewhere here something is cooking, not very clear, but yes, somewhere here is going to make the turn. So don't have high hopes to go to the upside. A lot, I mean, a lot. So not going to go. A little bit, maybe, yeah, here. And 62.84 could be the brick wall that will stop it. Okay. So this is it. And my entry chart this is how it is. It's completely messed up. So I don't want to touch it. I don't even touch it anyway. So, but my system gives you beautiful entries, like, for example, this one and this one. These are long entries that it presented. This is the one that, it's like close to the red line. And by the book, everything is aligned. Something like that is a beautiful entry. And look, from here to here is 7965. Yeah, so this system, you can adjust the sizes, the box sizes, and then entry will change a little bit, right? So you can make this system is like this is to your own liking. That if you are very fast, you want a scalping, you can change it. Maybe 20-minute chart, good for scalping. So see, this is long. It's 5/4, May 4th. This is the long on May 5th. This is the long. This is the long. So you could have taken all of these longs for this. So that is the smaller time frame. This is the bigger time frame, and you can even make even more bigger time frame. So this is a beautiful entry here, long entry I'm talking about, right? So yeah, so this is how it is. So be ready for a turn very soon in DAX weekly chart right here. All right. So this is it for now. Next video, I'm gonna probably a lot of people asking about US 30. I'm not getting time, but today maybe I'll finally catch up with that. So next video I will make about US 30. So bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get my video as soon as I upload them. Right. All right. So talk to you guys later.